Hello, leprechauns.
Hello.
You're actually leprechaun hunters.
Ooh.
You want to catch a leprechaun.
Okay.
Why do you want to catch a leprechaun? What's at the end of the rainbow? Remember, it's the
Money.
Yes.
Yeah.
A big pot of gold.
Pot of gold.
Okay. So to get the leprechaun's pot of gold, you gotta go all this way. We have a die. You roll the die.
Okay.
There's rainbows. That's good luck. You go forward 2. Okay? 2 steps.
Okay.
Do you remember what these are? Yes?
Shamrocks.
Shamrocks. Oh, is that the right color?
No.
No. Shamrocks are green. In the game, there's white ones, light green ones, and dark green ones, but we have a green screen, so we put colors, okay? Now, on the red one, you get a question.
Okay.
If you answer correctly, you can stay on your space.
Okay.
On the blue ones, the other team gives you a challenge. Dance a jig.
Ooh.
Stay on one foot.
Okay.
Whatever you think of, okay?
Okay.
And on the black ones, you pick a lucky or unlucky card.
Ooh.
So you'll see.
Lucky.
Lucky.
Unlucky.
Who wants to start?
Me.
Oh.
Can I start, please?
No.
Can I start, please?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. You
It's a
start.
leprechaun by the toe.
Yes, a leprechaun. Okay, you got here. Roll the die. 2. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2.
Ooh, that's the challenge.
Challenge.
Is there a challenge?
Yes.
Oh.
Dance a jig.
Yes, I like it. Remember with
hands
heels?
down.
Hands down.
Tap heel.
Tap
Tap
heel. Okay,
Tap.
great job. Okay.
Yes. Can I play, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Roll the die.
Roll the die.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Pick a card.
Unlucky.
Pick a card.
Unlucky. Pick a card. Unlucky.
Okay. If you are wearing green, are you wearing some green? You
Yes.
move 2 steps forward.
Oh,
Okay.
no.
It's St. Patrick's Day. We have to be dressed in green. So
Yes.
2 spaces forward.
Okay. 1,
2. 2 more steps forward.
yes. 1.
This is lucky or unlucky?
This is lucky. It's a rainbow.
Okay.
Rainbows are lucky. Your turn.
Roll the die.
Roll the die.
Woo. 2.
2.
Not lucky. 1, 2.
Okay, so you get a.
Question.
So we're using previous lessons on leprechauns. Okay. What is the nationality of a leprechaun? He is
Irish.
Yes, well done. Good job. Okay, let's have a look around and then what? Oh, who has the die?
The leprechaun.
Okay, roll the die. Ooh, 6. Whoa.
Oh. 1,
She's lucky.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh, a challenge.
Stand on your head.
On my
On your head.
Can you try?
Okay,
go, try. Go down, go on, try.
No,
too bad. But you stay there for challenges. Okay, Roll the die.
One.
One.
Oh, lucky.
Okay.
How many?
Two.
Two steps
One forward.
forward. Okay. We play until we arrive at the pot of gold, of course. So on the cards, these cards, some cards make you go forward. Some cards make them go backwards. Okay? So the forward is lucky, backwards is
Unlucky.
okay. Have fun.